The dog back there as well.
Is the dog back there, Emily?
Where's the dog? Emily, where's the dog at?
Where's the dog? You see the dog? Baxter! Come here, Baxter!
TJ.
What?
Right. Yeah, I'm actually interested because he's not listening to her.
No.
What?
No,
He
that's
listens to
Safari and-
his master.
Come here. Come here.
Emily, come here.
Sit. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Sit.
Emily's gonna
Dog
sit.
talking to her.
Steady. Steady. No. Sit. I know. Sit. Sit.
Can you pet him? Be gentle. Be gentle.
Stay. Pet him.
Be gentle.
That dog's bigger than you, Emily.
Yeah, weighs by about 50 pounds.
Emily, would you like to pet her? Pet him? Go ahead and pet him, but be soft. Go ahead.
I know he looks at me when I get to go.
He's